Welcome to the campaign creation tutorial. This guide will walk you through setting up a campaign step by step. Let's get started. First, navigate to the campaign section and click the Create Campaign button. Start with the general settings. Enter the campaign name, this is required. Optionally, assign an event by selecting one from the list of existing events. For help, refer to the Event Manager tutorial. Choose an advertiser from the list of previously created advertisers, this is required. If needed, assign a category from the available list. Check the Category Manager tutorial for guidance. Set the campaign status to active, pending, or ended to define its current state. Optionally, enter the preview URL provided by the advertiser. Enter the campaign URL, including the click ID or any required tokens listed below, this is required. Select the currency from the drop-down menu. Choose the campaign objective from the drop-down list. Enter the advertiser pricing, also known as revenue. Enter the affiliate pricing, also known as payout. If desired, enable and set the start and end times for conversions. Only conversions within this period will be recorded. Optionally, enable deep linking. Set a target time frame for the campaign's run duration, if needed. Enter a campaign description to provide more details. Add private notes or campaign KPIs, if necessary. Once all fields are complete, click Save Changes to create your campaign. Now, let's configure targeting. Select countries to allow or block from the drop-down menu. Similarly, set targeting for regions, cities, browsers, device types, operating systems, device brands, ISPs, and user languages as needed. After setting your targeting preferences, click Save Changes. Next, move to the affiliate section. Here, you'll see a list of affiliates already created. Refer to the affiliate tutorial to learn how to add new ones. Assign the campaign to any existing publisher or affiliate. To generate an affiliate tracking link, click the Share button and select Extract Affiliate Tracking Link. Check the boxes for any parameters you want to include, then share the generated link with your affiliate partner. You can also reject or block any affiliate, if needed. Now, let's set up capping to limit campaign traffic. Click the Create button. Enter a descriptive rule name. Select the affiliate to apply the cap to, or exclude specific affiliates if necessary. Choose whether the cap is visible to the affiliate by selecting yes or no. Select the affiliate cap type, individual or group. Choose the capping type, gross conversions, approved conversions, pending conversions, or clicks. Set the time period, daily, weekly, monthly, or hourly. Enter the capping value. Set the status to active or inactive. Choose the action after the cap is reached, stop campaign, approve conversions, or keep pending. Click Save Changes to apply the capping rule. It will now appear in the list. Next, let's create a payout rule to define affiliate compensation. Enter a rule name. Choose whether to include or exclude affiliates. Select the affiliate ID. Choose the activity event created for the campaign. Enter the revenue value and select the revenue model. Enter the payout value and select the payout model. Choose the currency from the drop-down. Set visibility for the affiliate, yes or no. Set the status to active or inactive. Click Save Changes to create the payout rule, which will now be visible in the list. Now, let's fine-tune the campaign in advanced settings. Enter the conversion waiting time in minutes. Set conversion approval to auto or manual. Choose whether to allow or block multiple conversions from the same IP. Select the mismatch action, such as discard conversion or record as initial event. Decide whether to stop the campaign if conversions come from the same IP. Optionally, add the comma-separated whitelist postback server IP. To whitelist the IP address of your advertiser, click Update Changes to save. Next, configure fallback to redirect unused traffic, such as overcapped or out-of-target traffic. Enable fallback. Set a custom URL or choose a pre-selected campaign for redirection. Click Update Changes to save. Now, move to Creative. Enter a title for the creative. Choose the creative type, banner, image, email, SMS, video, or HTML. For this example, let's select SMS. Set the status to active, pending, rejected, or hold. Enter the SMS text in the code field. Optionally, add a description. Click Save Changes to create the creative, which will now appear in the list. Next, create a coupon. Click the Create button. Enter the coupon code. Set the start and end dates. Optionally, allow the coupon for all publishers. Select the status, active, pending, rejected, or hold. Enter the total number of coupons. Add a description, if needed. Click Save Changes to create the coupon, which will now be visible in the list. Finally, explore additional features in the Explore More section. You can view detailed reports, extract advertiser postbacks, manage affiliate postbacks, test affiliate postbacks, and view audit logs. In the Reports section, access insights on clicks, conversions, and impressions. Apply filters, adjust the date range, or change the number of results per page. Use the drop-down to switch between filter views. For advertiser postback setup, select the appropriate postback option based on your advertiser's needs. Share a test link with them for validation after saving. To manage affiliate postbacks, click Manage Postback, then Add Postback. Choose Campaign Postback or Global Postback, select the affiliate ID, and, if needed, the campaign ID. Choose the event type, postback type, and status, then paste the postback URL shared by the affiliate. Click Save Changes to create the postback, which will appear in the list. To test affiliate postbacks, paste the test link provided by your affiliate and run the test. Confirm with your affiliate that they received the test postback successfully. In audit logs, view detailed change logs to track campaign modifications over time. Congratulations! You've learned how to create and configure a campaign, from general settings to advanced features. Refer to related tutorials for more details, and start building your campaign today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.